start from the kidney. Okay, so let's see. Now we are talking about the kidney. So kidney is nothing but it is a bean shaped, right? So it is a bean shaped structure whereas whole the kidney it will give rise some pyramidal structure like that. Some pyramidal structure like that. If you cross section the kidney, then you will find some compartment which is known as the pyramid. Rather it will be called as the renal pyramid. It will be called as the renal pyramid. Renal pyramid. Okay. So in this case we can find some nephron. We can find in a coiled manner the nephron. It will be located inside whole the compartment of the renal pyramid. Okay. So whatever the structural, that time I have written here the structural and the functional unit of the kidney, it will be the nephron, right? So in case of the nephron, whatever the structure where it can be located, it will be located inside one each renal pyramid. Okay. Now what is this? Means what is this constriction? If you notice here, in this constriction, renal tube, renal pyramid, or the renal artery or the renal vein and the ureter, it has originated, means it has connected rather. So in that portion, whatever the renal artery, renal vein and the ureter, it will be connected. So this constriction, it is known as the hilum. It is known as the hilum. Okay. So what is the hilum? The constriction which is found in the kidney, which is connected with the kidney and the renal vein, the renal artery and as well as the ureter. Okay. So that constriction, it will be known as the hilum. Okay. So now in case of after this we will learn the ureter. Okay. So the ureter, it is nothing but it will be the thread like structure which is originated from the kidney. Okay. So this thread like structure means ureter. If you want to know ureter, it is a thread like structure, thread like or tube like structure rather. Okay, made up of some muscle type tissue or muscular tissue, and this ureter, it will be held. What is the function of the ureter? Function of the ureter, it will collect the urine. It will collect the urine from kidney, and where it will pass? To the sac-like structure, the urinary bladder, and transfer to the bladder. Okay, transfer to the bladder. Okay, students. So where it will transfer? From C. In case of the kidney, it will arise, means ureter, it will arise, and from the whatever the urine has originated or urine is formed or produced, this urine means waste material. It will carried out by the ureter and it will store means its destination. It will be the urinary bladder, right? So now, after that, the urethra. Whatever the urethra. So urethra, it is nothing but urethra. What is urethra? It is a pore from where the urine can pass outside. The urine can pass outside, obviously from the body. So this is called the urethra. Means this pole-like structure, it will be called as the urethra. Okay. So students, today we have learned about the excretory system, that is composed of the kidney. This kidney, one pair of kidney. Okay, one pair of the urinary. The tube means the ureter, urinary bladder, and the urethra. Okay, and as well as it have the renal vein and the renal artery. Okay, so next day we will be talking about the nephron structure. So if you have any queries or any questions, you can comment me. Okay, so thank you.